Hey guys, it's Rebecca from Mama Bear Custom Wreaths, where I make wreaths and home decor and I show you how I do it all. So if you guys have not hit the subscribe button, please do so you guys don't miss out on any of my tutorials. So today I wanted to show you guys how I made a very simple, budget-friendly, quick and easy heart wreath with really just two types of material, or two different materials. We're gonna need, I'll show you what I mean. We're gonna need this heart frame, wreath frame. And then for the actual decor on it, we're gonna need some fleece or flannel. You can use a baby blanket, which I have here. You can use old PJs. I'm gonna keep mine. I'm not gonna cut these because I think these are cute. But definitely if you have some old PJs around, you can use that. That's a great material. You guys can also go and just buy some fleece and flannel at your local Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, wherever they sell fabric. So fabric, wreath frame, you can use scissors, you can use your rotary cutters. If you're gonna use your rotary cutters, you're gonna need a cutting mat. So basically what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you how I did it in just a sec, but we're gonna need to cut whatever fabric you're going to use into these strips. So my strips are about 15 inches exact, 15 inches long and about 2 inches wide. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. I'm gonna put you guys in a different view, show you how I cut that, and then we'll get started. First thing that we're gonna do is lay our fabric, our blanket, whatever you're using, down. If you're using PJs, cut it kind of into like the long sections. And we're gonna put it on our cutting mat, and we are going to I'm gonna use my Fiskars. You can use your scissors if you don't have Fiskars, rotary cutters. And I am going to measure every 2 inches and just cut it all the way across. And don't worry, it does not have to be super duper exact, but we're gonna cut it every 2 inches. All the way across. So once we have cut 2 inches, every 2 inches, we are going to find our 15 inches and just cut across this way. So now that we're all done cutting our strips, or the majority of them, I'm still gonna come back and cut this little section, but we've cut most of our strips down. So now we're just gonna take them apart and rip them apart and just neatly stack them to make our pile. Now, because I used a blanket on, there's stitching, you really can't tell, but there's stitching here at the edge, and I'm gonna cut that off. You don't have to, you can keep it. I'm gonna take mine off though, so I'm gonna do that and make my little stack. So I'll be right back. Okay, now that we have our strips here, let's attach them to our wreath base. So we are going to take our strip here and we're going to fold it in half like so. And we are going to put the middle part, the V part here, and then we're going to tie a knot up here. That simple. So basically just put half there. And our top part here, we are just going to tie a knot. Does not have to be a Boy Scout or a Girl Scout knot, just a regular knot. we'll scooch that over. And we will do it again. I'll do it again with you guys. So just take our little piece of cloth here, fold it in half, put our wreath base right there. Get the top part right here and just tie a knot. Okay, let's do that one more time. So we'll fold it in half. Whoa, come back. Tie it in half. And then we put our wreath right where it folds. And then we just tie a knot at the very top. And then we'll scooch it over. Okay, so I know this looks funny right now, but I promise you it's gonna look super duper cute. So we're gonna keep doing this all the way across. Simple, right? So simple, but it's gonna look so cute. So let's keep doing it. I was looking today for some cloth to do this, and I really wanted to do a leopard print. I think a leopard print heart would look so cute. Spice up your Valentine's look, but I could not find any, so I decided on this soft pink instead, which is pretty. I love pink. I love pink. Can you tell? But I thought like a material kind of like this would look super cute. I didn't want to cut my PJs. So you don't have to do pink, and you guys can use any material, any print that you want. So if like you're doing this for a baby shower, if it's a girl, obviously a pink, if it's a boy, a blue. So while you're doing all this is gonna take a little while, obviously. I'm filming this, but I'm probably going to mute you guys and put on some Yellowstone. I don't know if anyone else is watching Yellowstone. I forget what season it is, but it's the one where they ended in a half season. So if anyone watches Yellowstone, I'm hooked. And that's what I like to watch when I read. I get inspiration from Beth and Rip. So this is fun. You know, watch something. Leave in the comments below. I'm curious if you guys watch anything while you craft. And if you do, what do you watch? So I'll watch Yellowstone. I binge. I wait until the season is over though, because I can't, it's just too much suspense to watch it. It's just too much suspense to wait to watch it. I like to just see the whole thing all at once. Like my heart can't take waiting. Any and all shows that I watch, I just wait until all of them are out, and then I watch them. I can't sleep waiting, like what's gonna happen. So leave in the comments below what you guys watch while you craft, and might give me some ideas what else I can watch. I also like to watch other crafters. And I love watching people craft. So I follow a whole bunch of people. And some of the stuff I don't even do or try to do myself. It's just fun to watch people do things. I do that, and then I watch people that clean. I love the cleaning motivation videos. Those are super fun. So it's Yellowstone, crafters or motivational cleaning videos for me. What do you guys watch? It's kind of looking like something. Okay, so I just finished, and this is our final product. Isn't this adorable? So this can go on your mantle, this can go in your bedroom, this can go anywhere. Super cute, super easy, and budget friendly. So if you guys like this tutorial, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.